Today's section, we're going to talk about expected value. So what is expected value? Expected value is the mathematical way to use probability to determine what to expect in various situations over the long run. So, and the way that you're going to usually find out the expected value is multiply each possible outcome by its probability and then add this product. That's how you're going to usually find your expected value, and we use letter E to represent the expected value. So if we're looking at example 1, find the expected value for the outcome of the roll of the fair dice. So fair dice, when you say fair dice, you have 6 sides, right? This one has 6 sides. And so when we wanted to find expected value of fair dice, we can get 1 out. When we roll our dice, we can get 1. And what will be the probability of getting 1? That will be 1 over 6, right? Plus, we can also get 2, right? And that's another 1 over 6 probabilities. So, plus, we can also get 3, and probability of getting 3 is 1 over 6. And repeat, right? We can get 4, we can get 5, we can get 6, and all this have probability of 1/6. And when you multiply that, you're going to get on the numerator 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5, 6 all over 6. Which is 21 over 6, that's 3.5. So having expected value of 3.5 means that if the dice is rolled repeatedly, there is an average of 3.5 dots per roll over the long run. So this have to be repeatedly for the several times. So then let's look at the example 2. Find the expected value for the number of girls for a family with 3 children. So I'm going to start writing what will be my sample size is going to be, right? So having 3 children, find the expected value for the number of girls. So if I have 3 children, I could have all boy. I could have 2 boy and girl. But in that case, I can have boy, boy, girl, but also boy, girl, boy. Or girl, boy, boy, right? And then I can have boy, girl, and girl, so 2 girl. It means I could also have boy in the middle, right? Or boy at the end. And then I could have all 3 girls. So that's going to be sample size. So you have 8 sample size. And then from this, having a no girl is going to be 1/8 when it's all boy, right? Having a 1 girl is going to be 3 over 8. And then 2 girl will be 3 over 8. And 3 girl is going to be 1 over 8. So that's the probability of getting different case. So now this is what we understand about what's going to happen when family have 3 children, right? And they want you to find the expected value for the number of girls for a family with 3 children. So how many number of girl can you have? No, right? No girl I can have, and it will be 1/8 plus, and they can have 1 girl, and the probability of that will be 3/8. They can also have 2 girl, probability is 3/8, and they can have 3 girl, which is probability of 1/8. And when you multiply all that, this is going to give you 0. That's 3/8, 6/8, 3/8, which is 12/8. And when you reduce 3/2, that's 1.5. So expected value of 1.5. This means the average number of girls for all these families with 3 children will be 1.5. Okay, so let's look at one last question of expected values. Example 3. Suppose a local symphony decide to raise money by raffling off a microwave oven worth $400, a dinner for 2 worth $80, and 2 books worth $20 each. A total of 2,000 tickets are sold at dollars each. Find the expected value of winning for a person who buy 1 ticket in a raffle. Okay, so I wanted to make the chart first so that I know what do I have and what will be the probability of that. So we have, let's say if the person win microwave oven worth $400, because the person already spent dollars to buy a ticket, even you win $400 a microwave oven, actually you're gaining only $399, right? And you have 1 of that. 1 out of 2,000 tickets. So this is going to be probability of getting X. And your X is earning $399 will be the first one. The second one is dinner for 2 worth $80. So subtract $1, which is the ticket price. You're going to make $79. And your book is $20 each. So minus 1 will be 19. And then when you didn't win anything, that's going to be minus $1, right? And in order to win the dinner for 2 worth $80, which you end up making $79, you only have 1 ticket. And then it's say 2 books worth $20 each. So this is going to be 2 instead of 1. 2 will get each book. So it'll be 2 over 2,000. And then rest of them. So only people that will win will be 4. So 4 minus 2,000. Will be your probability of losing. So everybody but those 4 will lose $1. Okay, so then if you wanted to write the expected value with this story, you're going to have making $399 with your probability plus making $79 times your probability plus making $19 with probabilities plus losing dollar with the probabilities. And when you multiply all that, that gives you negative 1,480 over 2,000, which is going to be negative 0.74. So what does this mean? It means on the average over the long run, so if you keep playing this over and over, a person buying one ticket in a raffle will lose about 47 cents. That's your expected value.